there, Silver Young Solo Traveler. This is Aya, your host. The holidays are upon us, and many of us will be traveling to spend this fabulous time with friends and family members. Some of us will be flying, others will be driving. So, I find an article written by Miss Patricia Magana of Smarter Travel. How to survive the middle seat. And she said there are 9 tips, so I'm bringing it to you guys. So here we go. On a typical commercial flight, about 50 unfortunate souls will be relegated to the dreaded middle seat. What can you do if one of those tortured passengers is you? Here are 9 tips to make it to your destination with your sanity and your comfort intact. Tip number 1, take a tray table nap. Aside from occasionally holding a drink or a meal, the tray table doesn't have much to do during a typical flight. Make use of it by taking an in-flight nap. Whatever you do, though, don't place your face directly on that petri dish of bacteria, aka the tray table, or at least disinfect it at first. Number 2, sleep uptight. If a tray table nap isn't your speed, sleeping upright is also a possibility, even in the middle seat. It starts by picking the perfect travel pillow for your body. Whether that is a standard neck pillow, a shoulder wrapping travel rest pillow, or even a candy cane travel pillow. Number 3, noise cancelling headphone. For just a few hours, a pair of good headphones can be a middle seat passenger's best friend. The right set tune to a good movie or music can take your mind off the otherwise muscle contorting rigor of the middle seat. Number 4, claim your territory. Even if you are sandwiched between fellow passengers, your personal space need not to be limited. Board quickly at your first opportunity so as to make it to your seat before your seatmate, and then mark the armrest as your own. Don't feel too guilty. It's widely accepted that the middle passenger get both armrests, but it is important to claim them early, lest you find yourself next to a passenger who doesn't buy into common courtesy. Number 5, make the most of your knee space. Speaking of claiming space, do so for your knees as well. Insert close quarter. Every little inch counts. Consider politely asking your neighbor to refrain from leaning back if it's really cause you discomfort. You will be surprised how considerate people can be when asked politely. When you ask politely, you will receive what you need. Number 6, keep busy. Ever notice how time seems to fly by when you are busy? Watch a movie, read or play a game. Whatever your time kills, just keep yourself entertained, and before you know it, the fasten seatbelt sign will go off and the pilot will announce your arrival. Number 7, bring an in-flight survival kit. Regardless of which seat you occupy, but especially if it is the middle seat, keep the following item handy for in-flight sanity, or make up your own in-flight packing list. An eye mask, electronics, a tablet, laptop, or handle game console, headphone, non-electric reading material, or a puzzle book, a sweater or jacket, and a snack. Number 8, ask to be reseated. Just because you were assigned a middle seat doesn't necessarily mean you have to be stuck with it. Inquire with the gate staff about any remaining available window or aisle seats. They may seat you in a more preferable location if one is open. And finally, number 9, do better next time. The best way to survive the middle seat, of course, is to avoid it altogether. Book early, and if you can, select your seat during the booking process. For airlines that don't allow advanced seat selection, like Southwest, I'm putting a disclaimer, I have nothing against Southwest. I fly all the time with Southwest. It's an example that Southwest does not allow you to pick up your seat. So that's why I'm using it. That's my disclaimer. Check in. What if you check in for your flight as soon as you can, in Southwest case, as early as 24 hours in advance, because Southwest assign boarding group based on when you check in for the flight. The earlier you check in, the more likely you are to score your favorite seat. In my case, is the window seat. Maybe in your case, it's going to be aisle. So this is it for today. Thank you for watching. Again, this is Aya, and please hit the red button below as well as the bell sign, so when I upload a new video, it will notify you. Also, please comment, share, like, give it a thumbs up, and I wish you a fantastic travel during this busy season of the holiday. Bye.